Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the device name of your JBL TUNER 3 on an iPhone. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the settings. Here in the settings, you guys want to scroll until you see the Bluetooth icon, and after you go over to the Bluetooth section, click on your JBL TUNER 3 that you're connected to. Now here you guys have the name and you guys can change it to whatever you want. So I'll change it to, let's say, HardReset.Info. And after we change it, we can confirm it here and we can just leave. Now our speaker is called HardReset.Info. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.